make a trip on it. Yeah. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know wagwan. When you turn me around, wagwan. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is sponsored by YWigs. Thank you so much YWigs for sending over this beautiful, gorgeous hair that I am completely obsessed with. This is the 16-inch water wave hair, and they did send me 5 packs. This is their crochet hair that has that small little piece of cotton in between 2 pieces of human hair crochet hair. It's super easy to install. You literally just loop it through and knot it off and it's good to go. Very easy to install, very lightweight, and the beautiful thing about this hair is it's human hair. And this hair color just literally has me so shook. This is what they call a color number 4, but to me it looks closer to a 33. It's a beautiful brown, light brown shade that is absolutely gorgeous and stunning for this season, for spring, summer. It's a color that I absolutely enjoy wearing, and I think it will just look so good in the sunlight. I did use all 5 packs. I did 3 packs in the back and 2 packs in the front. I densely packed the hair. I wanted it to be extremely full, extremely thick. You do not have to use this much hair. You can definitely get away with less. These are old braids. As you can see, they're very loose. When my braids are like this, I do like to add hair in between the braids to kind of make the parting space smaller and to disguise my parts, giving me more versatility. Next step is to add your edge control for your baby hairs. If you want to do that, you can skip that step if you do not, but I decided to lay my baby hairs down. I'm using the GLEEmade edge control from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. I did just use a band to hold my hair down and get my baby hairs laid. Then I went ahead and started styling my hair. Now for me, a huge part of these installs for these crochet hairs is to trim the hair, cut it into a style that gives you some face framing layers and just, shapes the hair. A lot of times when you install crochet, it's not going to be at that perfect length. You definitely are going to need to trim some of the straggly pieces. You don't always install it perfectly and every end isn't going to hang properly. So just give it a nice little trim. Don't overdo it because again, this is human hair. You don't want to make your life even more difficult for the next time you install it. Again, human hair crochet can be installed and reinstalled. It can be washed, conditioned, blow dried, air dried, colored, all that good stuff. So you don't want to chop it up too much, but you definitely want to give it that nice shape and that nice look. So when you start to style the hair, you're going to want to use your 3 basics: leave-in conditioner, water, and styling mousse. It's going to give your curls a nice hydrated, healthy shine, as well as make the curls really, really pop. Your dimming brush is going to be super important as well. It gives the curls a nice shape, and it also gives them that like really healthy, curly, juicy vibe. So definitely grab a dimming brush. All the products I'm using will be linked in the description box down below, so you can check there for those. And last but not least, of course, we have our Conair blow drying diffuser. I love this blow dryer. I always set it on warm, not hot, and I always set it on low and not the fast speed. It allows my curls to stay in a nice shape while it also just dries them and keeps them really pretty and bouncy. And this is the finished look. Now, a lot of times when I diffuse my hair, I diffuse it to about 80% and let it air dry the rest of the way by itself. I feel like it leaves the curls really soft and also still gives them a nice fluff instead of them becoming crunchy or hard. I know I've already said it, but this color and this curl pattern really stole my heart. This curl pattern is called Water Wave, but to me it's giving like Spanish or exotic curl, and I just love that for the summertime. This color is absolutely stunning, and you can see my hair is black, but it still even looks good crocheted into my black hair. So highly recommend this hair. I'll leave it in the links down below.
So look here, I want you jive turkeys to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.
Thanks, babe.